Hello guys, it's Dale here, and today I'd like to show you a trading idea on the Australian dollar Japanese yen. But before we go into the Australian dollar Japanese yen, I'd like to show you the predictions and the results of the trades that I posted to you on Tuesday and yesterday. So this is from Tuesday. On Tuesday I sent you a video about the Euro Australian dollar. I was talking about trend setup in here based on those volumes within this uptrend. This was the support I was talking about, and yesterday this was the reaction, around 60 pip reaction. So the trade came out pretty nicely, I would say. The reaction was pretty spot on. So yeah, that's about the Euro Australian dollar. The level is not active anymore because it already got spent right there with this reaction. Alright. Now, yesterday I sent you a video about the S&P 500 index. So let me go to the ES, which is futures for this index. And the support I was talking about was in here. It was based on those volumes. This was the reaction. It was a huge reaction. But if you remember, in the video I was saying that it's extremely risky to trade during the FOMC news, which came out yesterday, and unfortunately the price made the pullback exactly during the news, during the FOMC news release. So it would be extremely risky to take this trade. I wasn't trading it. It would be a great trade. As you can see, the reaction was superb, but it would be extremely risky, so that's why I didn't take that long from here. But as you can see, the reaction was there. It was a very nice one. So that's for those two predictions and results. Let's now go and have a look at the Australian dollar Japanese yen. In here I'd like to show you a trend setup. Actually a very similar setup as on the S&P 500. Let me go back real quick. There was a trend. This is the ES, right? S&P 500. There was a trend, and within the trend there was a significant volume cluster, right? We waited for a pullback and long from there. Now let me switch the chart and you'll see that it's a very similar scenario. There's also a trend, and if I use the volume profile over the whole trend, you can see that there is a significant volume zone, significant volume cluster in here, right? From there, the strong buying activity starts again, which means that strong buyers were building up their long positions in here, right? They were adding to their longs here, and then they manipulated the price to go even higher. So very similarly as on the ES, we wait for a pullback, and when the price makes it to this heavy volume area again, which is set 86.0 in here, then I expect a buying reaction. I expect those buyers to become active and to push the price upwards from there again. This is very similar as on the ES, the futures for S&P 500. The setup, which you can see here, is called the trend setup. It is a setup which I trade when there is a strong trend, like in here. Alright. Now, if you guys would like to learn more about trading with a volume profile, and if you would like to trade alongside me every day, then what I recommend is visiting my website. This is it, trader-dale.com, and the next best step is go to trading course and tools. So you click that, you scroll down a bit, and what I recommend is getting the Elite Pack. The Elite Pack is an educational pack that will teach you everything there is about trading with volume profile, and there is a video which you can watch that will show you everything that's included in the Elite Pack. In short, the Elite Pack includes a video course, it includes my day trading and swing trading levels that you'll be getting each day. It also includes volume profile indicators that I developed and also a couple of bonuses. Now, at the top of that, it also includes free tech support for Elite Pack members. And what that means is that our tech support team will set up NinjaTrader 8 platform for you with all my indicators. They'll load up my trading workspaces, they'll connect you to data feed, and they'll do it completely free of charge, as that's the part of the service that we provide to the Elite Pack members. Alright, so that's about it. That's about the Elite Pack, and that's also about this video. I hope you guys liked it, I hope you found it useful, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video or in our members area. And until then, happy trading!